All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their dog training collar. This has 3 different training modes, company logo on top. On the back, a little bit of the options. So you have loud sound, training mode 1, effective vibrations, level 1 to 8. That's a gentle reminder, fit for a sensitive dog or for first mistakes. And then harmless shock, level 0 to 18. And that's for a stubborn dog or repeated mistakes. So let's open this up. This is model GE-G22, and this side shows security lock, rechargeable, IPX7 waterproof, 2,600 foot remote range, and a large display. It's ideal for small, medium, and large dogs of all breeds from 8 to 120 pounds. So let's take a look at this, see what we have here. Very nice looking so far. Wow. That's it for the box. We have a little quick user's guide telling you everything you'll need to know of how to set this up and how to use it. And then this is more of like an operation manual, giving you tons of more information, FAQs, tips, and even more over here about the remote, about the collar, everything you'd need to know. So here is, oh, whoa. So much little stuff under here. So a nice wrist strap for the remote. These look like some of the shock pieces to add on or to replace. This is an included USB-A to dual USB-C charger. So one can charge the remote, one can charge the dog training collar, and you just plug it into a USB-A port to get that to work. So inside here is, wow, that's the remote. Nice. So that's where you charge it at, USB-C port. That's where the wrist strap goes. Oh, the lock and unlock. Very nice. That's helpful. That's helpful. Power, of course, channel, and then the modes and the shock. Very nice. And then lastly is the collar itself. And so yeah, you do have to put these on it. They have longer ones, I guess for a smaller dog, and shorter ones for a larger dog. They just screw right in. On the bottom here is the USB-C port for charging, and then a nice power button up top. Now they do give you a little more than needed length. Of course, once you have it fit to your dog, you can of course cut this extra length if you would like. But that should essentially do it for this dog training collar unboxing. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.